Guys, nice to see you. It's been so long. Stephanie, John, Steve, guys, we're gonna have an amazing show today. Look at this. We got a laundry sink backing up, right? You guys can see that. This has been cut before. You can hear the water running, right? So she's running the kitchen sink. This young lady from Hungary, Ildiko, her name is, right? So we're gonna get this going. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be snaking this drain right there. It's already got the coupling on it. We're going to be snaking down. That's the bent pipe, and then we're going to get this cleared up. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M12 today. A light doesn't matter. It's got the drop head on it. Got the drop head. We just went through the blockage. You guys can see the water draining there. Got some hair. Awesome. Did you guys enjoy the show? Hopefully you did. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you guys want to check out another video, there'll be a clip up here, probably already on the side here. And just want to say thanks for watching. This has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.